The literary device that I will be talking about today is the Deus Ex Machina, and what it is a device that is used to resolve a plot, resolve a problem, resolve a story with a means that is seemingly unrelated to what was previously mentioned in the story. This could be an object, a character, whatever it is, just something that is not related to things that were previously mentioned in the story. It seems like it kind of comes out of nowhere. Um, a good, famous example of this is in Hamlet, in Act 4, Scene 6, I believe, where the pirates show up and take over the ship that Hamlet was on. And these pirates weren't previously mentioned. Kind of, they seem to just show up out of nowhere, and they abduct Hamlet, and they kind of just, clean that piece of the story up out of nowhere. And I find that interesting because there's a lot of negative connotation with the Deus Ex Machina, but we see Shakespeare using it here. One of the founders of what we know literature to be today, and the uses for this, um, it's often when the plot isn't very strong in a story, and they need a quick resolution. They need to bring something new in. It comes from Greek theatrics, where they would lower a god onto the stage from a crane, and he would seemingly come out of nowhere. So it often appears when the plot isn't strong and they need some sort of resolution. They have to come up with something new because it wasn't previously mentioned. Aristotle, in his writing Poetics, kind of reaffirmed this idea, where he said that the resolution to these problems, resolutions to these plots, should come from within the story itself and not some external factor. So I think is definitely more reason to not use it. I think you can definitely get a better story that you can bring out your resolutions from within itself. But then again, we see Shakespeare use it, and it's not too jarring in the way that he uses it. So there definitely is a better way to use it for your advantage.